Most people call up Aston Martin's Q Customizations division so they can get a special exterior color or unique interior feature on their new Aston Martin, but one customer called up the folks over at Q to place a much stranger request. They wanted an Aston Martin V8 Cygnet. Aston Martin, being the fun-loving company that they are, obliged this customer. What you see here is the finished result, complete with a 430 horsepower 4.7-litre Aston Martin V8 from a Vantage S. The build process started by taking the exterior body shell of the Cygnet and welding in a steel roll cage. Aston Martin then manufactured a new front bulkhead and transmission tunnel out of sheet metal before dropping in the naturally aspirated V8 engine and 7-speed single-clutch gearbox. The vehicle also features the same subframes and suspension as the previous generation Vantage and a fuel cell in the trunk, or boot, since this is a British car. Aston Martin says the V8 Cygnet tips the scales at just over £3,000 thanks to the minimal weight. It will accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.2s and top out at 170 miles per hour. The exterior isn't trying to hide the fact that this is no normal Cygnet. With pronounced carbon fender flares, 19-inch Aston Martin wheels and 2 large, centrally mounted exhaust tips, it's clear this Cygnet has a couple of secrets to hide. The interior is fairly bare bones, feature a racing steering wheel, 3 cargo bucket seats, a carbon fiber dash and the instrument cluster from a V8 Vantage. Luxurious amenities are limited to some leather pull straps on the doors and air conditioning. The V8 Cygnet shows the fun side of both Aston Martin and its customers, said Aston Martin Vice President David King. It is also a fine example of the engineering talent within the company, as it's no small achievement to fit the Vantage's V8 engine so harmoniously into the Cygnet's compact body. The V8 Cygnet will be making runs up the hill climb course at the Goodwood Festival of Speed this weekend before being sent off to its owner. It's hard to turn heads at Goodwood, with just about every exclusive supercar on sale today in attendance, but the V8 Cygnet will have no trouble attracting attention.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.